guys, it is January the 2nd, 2025. It's a chilly morning this morning. It's about 31 degrees here in Orange Beach. Wind chill, it feels like it's 27, it says. It's cold out there. Worked last night. I can definitely say working overnights is not for the faint of heart. So on this daily vlog on my way home, we're going to stop by. It's a boat launch that's newly opened. It's been there for a few months. It's on the north side of the Intercoastal Waterway here in Orange Beach. Take a look around there, get a few little clips for you. All right, here we go. This is the launch at the Intercoastal Waterway. It's got a large parking lots. There's a gravel lot there and a paved lot. Restroom facilities over there in the sun. We'll come back from a different angle over there. Paved lots, lots of area to park. These are the restroom facilities here at the launch. Got water fountains here and bottle refills. Nice big property. Lots of area to park your boat and trailer. This is on the north side of the Intercoastal Waterway. You can't see from the sun glare there, but that is the wharf right there. You can see the wharf Ferris wheel. We'll walk over that way and take a look. I'm hoping these daily vlogs will be able to give you more of an insight of what all there is to see and do down around Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. There's a lot of stuff that you can do and enjoy here. This place is growing very rapidly. There are 3 boat ramps here at the launch on the Intercoastal, and lots of dock space, as you can see around the other shore right over there. But it's not just boat launches that are here. You can see up on top of the hill there, there's some picnic areas, lots of trails, and picnic areas back over on this side here. Try to get over here out of the sun just a little bit where you can see where we're located. You can see some of the boats there at the marina across at the wharf, and the bridge going over there. That used to be the toll bridge. Of course, the toll is no longer. That bridge is going to become either I believe that one's going to be the northbound only, and the new bridge that they're building just down the canal, you can see those cranes there in the distance. That's where the southbound lanes will come. I'll do a video on one of the vlogs showing where those are going to access and look like. But there's the wharf, some picnic areas, tons of parking area. The boat launches. Orange Beach really needed this a lot. There's Boggy Point and Cotton Bayou in Orange Beach are boat launches there, but they get overrun and crowded very early in the day. So this will take some of the strain off of those launches. May not be able to see it for the glare. I'm trying to get over there in time, but the pirate ship is going through the canal right now. Maybe the glare is knocked off enough there to see it go past. It's moving at a pretty good little clip there. I was just at the wrong place when that came through. This is one of the picnic areas. Very nice and clean. Several located along the way here. Lots of sidewalks for walking or jogging around. Sign there says no fishing from the pier. So all of this dock down here. And that's just a quick little look here at the launch on the Intercoastal Waterway here in Orange Beach. Thank you for watching the daily vlog. Again, if there's something you'd like to see or know about down around the Orange Beach, Gulf Shores area, just leave me a comment down below and I'll see if I can include it in one of the morning vlogs. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.
Inches, here they come.